What's up, guys? Rated R Shinobi here again for Monster Jam, some Monster Jam Steel Titans 2 freeride freestyle, and we're gonna go to a full lap around the arena. And the clock time starts now. Got a big air ends in the sky wheelie, so I mean, it's been a while since it's been a minute since I got on the Monster Jam Steel Titans 2, so that was we are gonna be doing a final ride along for the final truck after this. I did 8 trucks last time, I believe, and now this is gonna be the final 2 in this episode, in this part for indies. So that was good. That was a pretty good save, but you get it just enough speed, the truck will come back to you on its own. So surprised we haven't even mangled the truck yet. Okay. Right now, so far, I think Alien Invasion has the best run so far. Let's go and hit the Monster Energy backflip ramp. Got a wow factor stop it into a moonwalk, just like we did Alien Invasion. So we tore some body panels off the truck. So I really miss it being to where you can actually break the truck. So hopefully they'll put it back like that in the next Monster Jam game, because messed up the back end a bit, but the body panels are just hanging off. Let's hit it full speed reverse. Man, that corner, that body panel's just freaking out. I don't even know what the fuck it's doing. That's actually pretty cool. That's a pretty good cool way to power out. So got another. Ooh, I have no idea how we're still going, but yeah, there are no resets. So if whatever happens to the truck happens, and I think that's gonna be a nice run to cap it off. Let's go to say we grab the final truck for the Indianapolis show. So okay, go to let's see Indy. There we go. We got the final truck, and it's gonna be. We're gonna go with Jurassic Attack. And here we go. Well, I tore the truck up right away, ended up in the wheelie. Literally messed the truck up. Messed the truck up. Messed some of the body panels off, but there goes the frill off the truck, but got small sky, really. It's better than nothing, I guess. But coming off the jump, right now I think I thought Alien Invasion had the best run, but now it's looking like Pirates Coast is gonna have the run. But I might have spoke too soon, but Jurassic Attack might be taking over. Things have turned prehistoric for here in Indianapolis. Got some air off that, but I guess Noah got big air because it should have showed big air, because I know that was big air big time. So hit the 8-pack, got the backflip. Gotta put another backflip, can we save it? We got it. You can tell I've played Monster Jam games for years and long enough to know how to save the truck. But man, we just gotta get the wow factor, and I don't know what we're gonna be able to do to get a wow factor, but some of these jumps have gotten a bit of a wow factor, so we got a few wow factors, I think, but oh, got a 4 front flips, so that's a wow factor. We got just a few seconds left on the clock for Jurassic Attack. That's lined us up perfectly for the next jump, and we get some big air from it. Got a nose wiggly. Should have been called that from when you ride it out on the nose. If anyone knows, does anyone known for on Monster Jam games for doing multiple backflips? Now that's a wow factor. The corkscrew. A wow factor corkscrew, and man. And they caught the tire perfectly, but time is run out for Jurassic Attack. But this run is all mainly for show. So let's say we hit one last big jump. That's gonna be it for this. To end the cap off the end of the show. Let me know who you think won this one freestyle, and I'll do that, and I'll continue to upload more Monster Jam videos for you. And as always, bad dreams, everyone.